In this session, we're going to be going over how to post something onto the Realm website. It's called an associates post. The reason why we would do an associates post, or typically you'll hear me say, hey, can you please find out if there's anyone who's interested in doing an open house at one of my properties. I'll probably give you the location of which property I want for the weekend. And so all you will do is you will come over here and click on associate post and then click on add a post. And it's loading. Okay, so now it's associate post and say I want and say open house post. Okay, and then I'm going to give a link to the URL. So I'm going to go over here and type in the address. Birdwood 5902 Birdwood. I don't know why that's not showing up. Let's just try it this way. Alright, so it finally showed up. I don't know what was wrong with it. Anyways, so that we're just going to click on this and we're going to copy that address on the top right here. Copy that, link it over here. Open house. Medical center. And then I'm just going to type something like addresses 592 Birdwood Road, Houston, Texas 77074. And I'll probably add just kind of a picture of it. I don't know if I can add two pictures, but anyways. And then once we've added that picture, I want to click on regional offices so everybody can see it. So basically what we're doing is I'm open house host near medical center. Interested in hosting an open house near the medical center. I like to also put this great way to make new leads. And then I'll write text 432-202-18594 details. Okay, so that's basically all I need to do. Open house host needed. I keep on saying this. I'll take that out. Open house host near medical center. Interested in hosting an open house near the medical center. Great way to make new leads. The address is 5902 Birdwood Road, Houston, Texas 77074. Text 432-202-18594 details. And regional offices, you allow everyone in the office to comment on this post. And so now that's all you need to do. And click on publish post. And it'll take a second here to load up. And that's what it will look like. And if anybody who's interested, they can just click on the link and this will pop up. So we'll see what happens with this. We'll see if someone's interested in doing an open house for this, but that's basically all you'll have to do.